Tinytag Connect is a central data management feature for Tinytag Ultra Radio, Plus Radio, and Plus LAN data loggers. Tinytag Connect enables users on a network to have remote access to the data being recorded in their application from the convenience of their own desk. Data from multiple monitoring points is collected automatically and can be easily accessed by any permitted user on a LAN or over the internet. Data from the radio and LAN loggers, including temperature, RH, low voltage, current and count, is stored and managed by a Windows service called the Tinytag Connect Gateway. Data is then presented in the easy-to-use Tinytag Explorer Connect software. Radio and LAN data loggers can be mixed and matched within an application to meet particular site layout and infrastructure requirements. Tinytag radio loggers are easy to set up. Installation can be done by the user and site surveys are rarely needed. Data loggers are located as required and self-configure to form a robust mesh network when switched on. They can be placed up to 200 meters apart on a direct line of sight. The loggers will communicate with each other and find the optimum path to send their data via a receiver, which is connected to a network access point or a computer. If extra loggers are added or moved, the mesh network automatically adjusts itself. Data will reroute in the event of a temporary obstruction, and there is no limit to the number of loggers that can be used. Tinytag Ultra Radio loggers are designed for indoor use, while Plus Radio loggers can be used in harsh environments and outdoors. Plus Radio loggers are also used to monitor temperature in refrigerated delivery vehicles, storing data locally while the vehicle is out, then automatically offloading it on return when within range of the mesh network. Tinytag Plus LAN loggers plug into a network point, recording and sending data across a LAN for viewing in Tinytag Explorer Connect. They are powered through their LAN connection, and battery backup will keep the logger recording if this should fail. They can be placed wherever a convenient network point is available and are ideal for locations where radio signals may be problematic due to range or physical obstructions. Both radio and LAN loggers will keep recording in the event of communications problems and will transmit their data when the connection is restored. Email alarm notifications can be generated if conditions fall outside user-defined limits. Data from the loggers is presented in Tinytag Explorer Connect software, which is designed for flexibility and ease of use. A viewing pane presents a global view of the system with icons identifying each type of logger. The state of each logger, including alarm conditions and low battery warnings, can be assessed at a glance. During setup, loggers can be labelled and grouped, logging intervals selected, and alarm settings defined. Multiple devices can be configured and downloaded simultaneously. Information is displayed in a graph or table of readings, which can then be exported to Excel or other popular software packages for reporting purposes. Information is also provided in CSV files, which can be imported into third-party applications and databases. Third-party integration is also available via Modbus interface. Data from non-Connect standalone USB Tinytags, such as energy and carbon dioxide loggers, can be combined with Connect-enabled loggers if required. Tinytag Desktop Viewer is an additional software tool for users running a Connect system. It provides a visual representation of the status of the system, displaying the data being recorded by the loggers and showing alerts when any are out of contact. Desktop Viewer is a read-only tool, preventing users access to settings that could result in unauthorized changes. This is helpful for customers who need to set different levels of user access for operational or quality control reasons. On the Desktop Viewer screen, users can set up a custom background image or floor plan. Tiles with the readings of selected data loggers can be displayed and positioned as required to give a visual representation of what is happening. Readings in grey indicate that a logger is out of contact. The alarms, with readings in red, are independent of those set in Tinytag Explorer Connect software, so the original configuration will remain unchanged. Tinytag Connect provides straightforward and flexible data management across a network, and peace of mind in terms of data integrity, safely recording and storing data at all times without interruption. For details about setting up a Tinytag radio data logging system, please see the video on our website. For further information, visit our website www.tinytag.info, email sales@tinytag.info, or call our UK number 01243 813 000.